What's up everybody, it's Tyler here, and today we're going to play some Slime Rancher, so let's go ahead and get this started. New game. We're going to name this... Tyler... Oh, I have caps lock on. Ripsy. Tyler's... Slimy... Farm... Oops, that's a Fram. Yeah, I took a screenshot. 2 screenshots saved. Alright, so we're gonna go play. There we go, that should work then. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I have no idea how to play this game. Oh, I guess it's controls there. I'm just running. Why can I not suck in the slimes? Ah. Right click is to suck in the slimes. So, let's see. Oh. Okay, so that's pretty easy controls. So we'll start with the pink slimes, I guess, just to get started somewhere. I saw you. Come here. I got a message from someone, but I don't know what it said. I wasn't paying attention. That's alright. These things are so cute. Hi, I'd like the carrots, please. Have something to feed you people. I can climb the rocks. Oh, look at them, they're so cute. More carrots. Oh, and the pink port. Oh, I don't have enough room for you guys. Collect your plorts though. Fruit. I want your plort. Oh, here are chickens. Oh, thank you. This crate should have stuff in it, right? That's how that works. Oh. No, I don't want you to eat that. Get back. Where are the birds at? I hear chickens. Oh, fruit. Give me your fruits. I want your fruits. Nothing on that tree there. I found the chickens. Oh, but I don't know what I want to get rid of. I think that one's fine. Alright, I don't need those. I want the chicken. Chicken. Uh-oh. That was the wrong button. Where'd he go? Come here. Alright. Oh, I left the chick all alone. That's alright. I think I can live with myself doing that. So we'll go ahead and go. Wow, there's so many of them. I don't know if I want to take the baby chickens or the grown chickens. There's so many of the babies though. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna take the baby chicken. Come here. The chickadoo. They grow up though, I think, right? Oh, there's blue ones. Oh, the rock ones. Alright. Take the blue rocks. I don't want that. Now we come. No, you ate him. I wanted that. Oh, I guess we're gonna pick up the plorts. You guys ate all the little. Ow! Ow! Ow. Oh. Oh, what is this? What is that thing? Oh, I think that's a thing. A different plort. Let's see what we got here. No. No, you ate him again, you hoe. How dare you? Oh, here we go. A rock plort. Okay. Well, maybe I just want the rock itself, and then I can... Oh, don't want the tabby cat. Oh, come here. Alright. Get out of here. All the fruits. Alright, so it seems like all the stuff I can carry, but there's a ton of different things I can try to get over here. So we're gonna go out. Go ahead and go back home. Alright, oh cool, we're back home. Alright, and then I believe we could sell the fruit, right? Nope, that's not what I want to sell. Can I have that? Thank you. Okay, so the different ones equal different amounts. What is this one? Largo slimes are slimes hybrids formed when slime eats a plort unlike its own. Ah. Oh. Oh dear. Alright. Chickens! Where? Yes. No, I don't want the big chicken. Well, I guess we can take the big chicken while we have the room. Let's see here. E to activate. A coop. How much is a coop? We have 260. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. Put that little baby chickens in there. Bump, 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 bump. Bump. Well, we're about to find out if there's any cannibalism in here. Eat your foods, your numbins. Oh, they do in fact eat the other ones. That's not cool. Get out of here. I want the plorts. I don't want you. I want your little poops. Uh-oh. Ow. Rude. Alright. Oh. Aha. Got him. Alright, well, we're just gonna leave that. Oh. Oh, yes. Yes. Go and take the plinks right out. Oh, he's eating them. Uh-oh. No! No, they're taking over! So we can get some more money. So those aren't worth very much. I guess on the right side, when I feed these things, they'll put out a lot of stuff, but that's not going to be tall enough. We'll go and get some more supplies. Oh, this is not the right way. Oh, hello. Hey. Thank you. I need some more chickens. So I think the tabby cat put out some plorts that are going to be pretty good size. Okay, little pink slimes, don't want you. Oh, alright. Where did I just go? What is this? Oh, can't take that. Okay. You fooled me. So I remember this place over here having some different types of slimes. I think they should have a tabby cat slime. I could probably take over. Ow, 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 get out of here. I think I just saw something bad. Oh. You look different. In an absolutely good way. Okay, you slime thing. Oh, the music just kicked up. No! Stop it! You ate him. Get out of here. I wanted that chicken. Oh. Oh, okay. Can I pick that up? I cannot. Oh, but he can touch me. Oh no. What am I witnessing here? Alright, we're just gonna take this and that. Just gonna get out of here. Uh-oh. I need to learn these controls because holy crap, I keep just throwing stuff. Alright. Yeah, that was evil, so we're just gonna go back home. Hens. Alright. You guys eat carrots. Right? It's not. Do you guys eat carrots? Oh, you do. Oh, he got out, so there's. We're going dispensing here. That one looks like honey coral. A happy slime makes a happy rancher. Oh, corral. It says corral, not coral. Oh my god. Yes. Silo. Incinerated. Wow, a pond. What are you going to do with this? I'm gonna kill myself probably. Sleep, sleep! We'll sleep until the morning. Rise and shine. It's a star mail. Mr. Lebeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the far, far range and extend your support and bold new venture as a slime rancher. We look forward to supplying us with a steady flow of plorts for which we will pay handsomely. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range until you get more familiar with your surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Well, I might have done that last night. Whoops. Lastly, you should require any additional tools for your vac pack. The 7Z Corporation will be pleased to provide them to you from our shop located just outside your ranch house. Good luck to you, Mr. Lebeau. The 7Z Corporation. Oh, that's lovely. I'm gonna return the ranch. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so is this the little thing they're talking about? Yes, it is. E. Jetpack, dash boots. These highly advanced and frankly fashion-forward boots have the energy consumption of sprinting. Oh, bless me. Pulse wave. Heart module, power core, tank booster. That's something I kind of want, so we're gonna go and save up for that. And then we're also gonna get the jetpack and the speed boots. I went the wrong way again because you're escaping. No, get out of here. Oh no. No, we're throwing the chickens. What is this? Oh, they all grew up. Perfect. Oh, so I can take them out of here. That's cool. Because I, quite frankly, am not interested. Put our slimes back. They look so happy. Alright, we gotta go get them some more food. Oh, I should also try and grow some stuff too. Look at there, some food. I don't want you. Oh, coins. Come here. Blink out of here. Alright, so I need to find some different color slimes. Oh yeah, come here, little chicken. Oh no. No, get away from him. Okay. I guess it's better that I have the pink force so I can't pick up any of those stupid slimes while I'm at it. Blue ones! Ow. Yes, the rock. Come here. Come here. There we go. So we got some rock slimes. Yes. And I believe we cannot. Oh, no. Come here, cat. Meow. The pink ones are savages. They just eat whatever. There we go. Come here. Let's go. Come here. Come here. There we go. No! Why would you do that? So I think I'm getting a bit far from my home. I'm not sure what he does. Oh, there's a blue one. Come here. Alright, there we go. I wonder if the blue slime, the rock slimes will eat the tabby cats. Because I've noticed that the pink slimes, they have an obsession with eating the anything that they can put their giant whore mouths on. But I don't know if the rock slimes do the same. I mean, I've seen them, the rock slimes consume the pink plort and turn into a pink rock monster. Hey, what are you doing out of your cage? You should be happy. I'm feeding you. Oh, I need one of those. No! I needed that. I forgot. Alright, well. Okay, I need your plorts. I don't need you. Actually, I might release all of them because, quite frankly, I don't need those slimes. There we go. Uh-oh. Get out of here. They ate the chickens. So I'm gonna take some of these. Get out of here. Oh, can I carry them all? Yes, I can. Okay, cool. Yeah. That's a lot of pink slimes. You cannot eat him. Alright, there we go. Can I sell slime? Oh. No, but it looks like I can put stuff on it. Come here, fruits. Yeah. Uh-oh. How did you get out? There we go. I remember there being more. Alright. So it looks like a few of you guys are gonna be fed. Okay, so we're gonna go and feed them. I believe that's what they eat, and they do. Oh my goodness. These animals. Darts. Where'd the other one go? Oh. Okay. We'll go ahead and deposit these slimes here real quick. There we go. So that'll be it for this episode, and if you're wanting to watch another episode, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will be posting more videos for Slime Rancher and other games very soon. If you have a game suggestion, please do tell me, and I will do my best to play it. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!